Hey everybody, welcome to Cash Mojo. Today I'm going to show you how to start an affiliate marketing for beginners. Make sure to watch all the steps until the end of the video because I'm going to show you a secret that can potentially double your commissions. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Now let's get straight into the video. Are you looking for a way to make some money online that doesn't require a lot of startup capital? If so, then affiliate marketing may be the perfect opportunity for you. In this video, we will discuss how to get started with affiliate marketing and generate traffic without spending any money. We will also show you how to scale your business up to $17,000 in 60 days or less. So let's get started. Number 1, what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? If you ever wonder how some bloggers make money, affiliate marketing is a mainstream way to do it. It is a relationship between a merchant who has something to sell and an affiliate who agrees to market it. The affiliate earns a commission for every customer they refer who makes a purchase. Affiliate marketing has grown increasingly popular over the last decade as brands have become savvier about leveraging influencers to reach new customers. And it's not just big businesses that are getting in on the action. Smaller companies and individual bloggers can also benefit from partnering with affiliates. If you're thinking of giving affiliate marketing a try, here's what you need to know. First, you'll need to find an affiliate program that's a good fit for your brand. There are many different programs out there, so take some time to do your research and find the one that meets your needs. Once you've found a program, you'll need to apply to be an affiliate. This usually involves filling out an application and providing some basic information about your blog or website. Once you're approved, you'll be given a unique link that you can use to promote the merchant's products or services on your site. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Number 2, how to find the right affiliate products to promote. If you're looking to make money through affiliate marketing, choosing the right product to promote is essential. There are a few things you should keep in mind when making your selection. First, consider the commission rate. The higher the rate, the more money you'll make per sale. However, you should also balance this with the popularity of the product. If it's not something that people are interested in, you're unlikely to make many sales. Second, think about the product's price point. A high price item may have a higher commission rate, but it can be harder to sell conversely. A low price item may have the lower commission rate, but it will be easier to sell in larger quantities. Finally, consider the competition. If there are already a lot of affiliate marketers promoting a particular product, it can be difficult to stand out from the crowd. By keeping these factors in mind, you can narrow down your options and choose the best products to promote. Number 3, how to get free traffic to your affiliate offers. If you're an affiliate marketer, you're always looking for a way to get more traffic to your offers. And who can blame you? After all, the more traffic means more potential customers, and more potential customers means more sales. Luckily, there are a number of effective ways to get free traffic to your affiliate offers. One popular method is to leverage social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. By sharing your affiliate links on these platforms, you can reach a wide audience with minimum effort. Another effective strategy is to guest post on popular blogs in your niche. This will give you exposure to a new audience and help to build your reputation as an expert in your field. If you're looking for a way to get free traffic to your affiliate offers, these are 2 great strategies to get started with. Number 4, the best way to promote your affiliate links. When it comes to promoting your affiliate links, there are a number of different tactics that you can use. Some methods are more direct and may require a bit of upfront investment, while others require less effort but a less immediate payoff. One of the best ways to promote an affiliate link is through social media. This can be done through posts on your own profile or by creating content on relevant websites and forums and including your affiliate links in these posts. Another effective tactic is engaging with other users, either by commenting on other blogs or sharing their content with your followers. This helps to build relationships with other users and can lead to more direct traffic to your affiliate links. Whatever tactics you decide to use, promoting your affiliate links is essential for success as an affiliate marketer. Number 5, how to get free traffic from search engines and other sources. There are a lot of ways to get traffic to your website, but not all of them are free. Search engine optimization (SEO) is one of the best ways to get free traffic, but it can be time consuming and difficult to do yourself. Luckily, there are a few things you can do to improve your SEO and get more traffic from search engines. First, make sure your website is well organized and easy to navigate. This will help search engines index your site more easily and rank it higher in the search results. Second, use keyword-rich titles and descriptions to help improve your site's visibility in the search results. Finally, create fresh and unique content that will engage readers and encourage them to link to your site. By taking these simple steps, and get more free traffic from search engines and other sources. Here are the 5 free traffic sources you should take advantage of. Number 1, Facebook groups. Facebook groups is one of the most popular social media platforms around, and affiliate marketing is one of the most profitable business models online. So it's no surprise that there is an active group on Facebook dedicated to free traffic affiliate marketing. These groups bring together affiliates, entrepreneurs, and marketers from all over the world who share tips and tricks for generating traffic through smart marketing strategies. Whether you're just getting started with affiliate marketing or you're a seasoned pro looking for new ideas, these types of groups can be a great resource for finding success in the field. Whether you're hoping to generate revenue through affiliate partnership with established retailers or build your own brand and sell direct to consumer products, these groups can help you learn how to achieve your goals. So if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level, join the Facebook group for free traffic affiliate marketing today. You won't regret it. Number 2, Quora. Quora is one of the world's leading platforms for connecting people with experts in a variety of fields. This makes it a great tool for those interested in affiliate marketing, since it gives them access to an enormous pool of potential customers. By using Quora effectively, marketers can not only target users who are actively searching for products or services, but also build trust and credibility within their niche communities. This can help set them apart from their competitors, ultimately resulting in increased sales and more successful campaigns. If you're not already using Quora to promote your affiliate links, now is the time to start. With this vast pool of users and high levels of engagement, it's the perfect platform to reach a large audience with your marketing message. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Quora today and start generating more free traffic for your affiliate marketing business. Number 3, Instagram. If you're looking to make some money through affiliate marketing, Instagram is a great platform to start with. By promoting products or services that are relevant to your audience, you can earn a commission on every sale that you generate. The best part about Instagram affiliate marketing is that it's relatively easy to get started and there is no need to invest in expensive advertising. All you need is a strong following and a willingness to share high quality content. To get started, simply find a few products or services that you're passionate about and sign up for their affiliate program. Once you're approved, you can start promoting the products or services through your Instagram account. Make sure to include links back to the merchant's website in your post so that your followers can easily purchase the products or services that you're promoting. By following these simple steps, you can start generating free traffic from Instagram and earn a commission on every sale that you generate. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for an affiliate program today and start promoting products or services through your Instagram account. Number 4, TikTok. TikTok is a popular social media platform that has become increasingly important for affiliate marketers. This is because the appeal of TikTok lies in its short, highly shareable video content. As such, any product or promotion featured in a TikTok video can get instant exposure to hundreds of thousands of viewers in a matter of minutes. With this kind of viral power, it has never been easier for affiliate marketers to drive traffic and sales. Whether you are promoting a new product or showcasing your own skills, creating engaging videos for TikTok can be a powerful way to boost your business and increase your profits. To get started with TikTok, simply create an account and start sharing videos. Make sure to include links back to your website or affiliate program in your bio so that viewers can easily find the products or services that you're promoting. With a little effort, you can quickly start driving traffic and sales to your TikTok account. If you're looking to expand your marketing efforts and reach more potential customers, consider tapping into the incredible power of TikTok affiliate marketing. By following these simple tips, you can start generating free traffic from social media and earn a commission on every sale that you generate. Last but not least, number 10, YouTube. YouTube affiliate marketing is a great way to earn extra income from your channel. By promoting other people's products or services, you can earn a commission on each sale. The best part is that you don't need a large following to start making money with affiliate marketing. Even if you only have a few hundred subscribers, you can still make a decent income if you find the right products to promote. And since there are millions of products available on YouTube, there's sure to be something that your audience will be interested in. To get started with YouTube affiliate marketing, simply find a few products or services that you're passionate about and sign up for their affiliate program. Once you're approved, you can start promoting the products or services through your videos. Make sure to include links back to the merchant's website in your video's description so viewers can easily purchase the products. Why not have a go at starting your own YouTube channel? Matt Parr's course will show you how. He covers everything from the ins and outs in running a successful faceless YouTube channel. This is a great opportunity you don't want to miss. So click the link in the description and get started now. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making passive income, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.